नमस्कार मित्रांनो, एम एस एज्युकेशनल यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आजचा आपला व्हिडिओचा विषय आहे एफ वाय बी कॉम सेमिस्टर सेकंड फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग सेकंड. या विषयाची आज आपण एम सी क्यूज बघणार आहोत. युनिट फायनल अकाउंट्स ऑफ चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रेव्हेन्यू रिसिप्ट? उत्तर आहे सबस्क्रिप्शन्स. Question number second. Which of the final accounts of a non-profit organization records revenue receipt as well as capital receipts transaction? उत्तर आहे receipts and payments account. Question number 3. Which of the following accounts are prepared by charitable trust? उत्तर आहे receipt and payment account. Question number 4. Which of the following activities a charitable trust is not permitted to do? उत्तर आहे ट्रेडिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बुक्स प्रिपेअर्ड बाय अ चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट? उत्तर आहे कॅश बुक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अकाउंट्स ऑफ अ नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गनायझेशन एंड्स विथ ॲन क्लोजिंग बॅलन्स? उत्तर आहे रिसिप्ट्स अँड पेमेंट्स अकाउंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गनायझेशन कॅन बी कन्सिडर्ड ॲज चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट? उत्तर आहे एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. अ रिसिप्ट टू मीट द करंट इयर्स एक्सपेन्सेस आर कॉल्ड ॲज रेव्हेन्यू रिसिप्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. द नेट रिझल्ट ऑफ फायनान्शियल ॲक्टिव्हिटी ऑफ अ चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्ट इज कॉल्ड ॲज surplus and deficit. Question number 10. Which of the account is an income and expenditure account? उत्तर आहे nominal. Question number 11. The term used instead of loss in charitable organization is called as? उत्तर आहे deficit. Question number 12. An actual cash receipt of permanent in nature is called as? उत्तर आहे capital receipts. Question number 13. Which of the following is the purpose of preparing final accounts for a non-profit organization? उत्तर आहे to find out the net surplus or deficit. Question number 14. Accumulated surplus and contribution of members of charitable organization is called as? उत्तर आहे capital fund. Question number 15. An expenses incurred to meet normal course of activities is called as revenue expenditure. Question number 16. Which of the final accounts of a non-profit organization debits all expenses and losses? उत्तर आहे income and expenditure account. Question number 17. Which of the following accounts of a non-profit organization records cash as well as non-cash transaction? उत्तर आहे income and expenditure account. Question number 18. Summary of cash book is also called? उत्तर आहे receipt and payments account. Question number 19. Which of the following accounts of a non-profit organization records only cash transaction? उत्तर आहे receipt and payment account. Question number 20. An expenses incurred for acquiring and improving the permanent asset is called? उत्तर आहे capital expenditure. Question number 21. Which of the final account of a non-profit organization credits all incomes and gains? उत्तर आहे income and expenditure account. Question number 22. Which of the following accounts is not prepared by a charitable trust? उत्तर आहे profit and loss account. Question number 23. Which of the final accounts of a non-profit organization debits all money received? उत्तर आहे receipt and payment account. Question number 24. The theoretical base for accounting for charitable organization is called as? उत्तर आहे fund theory. Question number 25. Under which of the following act a charitable organization need to register? उत्तर आहे Public Trust Act. Question number 26. Which of the final accounts of a non-profit organization start with an opening balance? उत्तर आहे receipt and payment account. Question number 27. The term used instead of profit in charitable organization is called as surplus. Question number 28. Which of the following organizations are not profit organizations? उत्तर आहे फॉर्म for the purpose of promoting art, science, religion, etc. Question number 29. Which of the final accounts of a non-profit organization credits all money paid? उत्तर आहे receipt and payment account. Question number 30. Which account is prepared to find out whether the charitable organization are meeting the required amount of expenses out of their incomes? उत्तर आहे इन्कम अँड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. विच टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट इज अ रिसिप्ट अँड पेमेंट अकाउंट? उत्तर आहे रियल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. A club has 500 members paying an annual subscription of rupees 150 and 1500 was in arrears for the current year. What is amount shown in the balance sheet? उत्तर आहे रुपीज 1500 ॲसेट साइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू? उत्तर आहे रिसिप्ट मे बी अन आयटम ऑफ इन्कम. Question number 34. A club has 500 members paying an annual subscription of rupees 150. Rupees 1500 was in arrears for the current year. What is amount of subscription received in the income and expenditure account? उत्तर आहे rupees 75,000. Question number 35. A club has 500 members paying an annual subscription of rupees 150. Rupees 1500 was in arrears for the current year. What is amount of subscription received in the receipt and payment account? उत्तर आहे 73,500. Question number 36. A club has a capital fund of rupees 46,680. Current year club has a surplus of rupees 5,190 and entrance fees received was rupees 6,300. As a practice, 50% of the entrance fee is capitalized. What would be the total fund at the end of the year? उत्तर आहे रुपीज 55,020. Question number 37. A club received rupees 7,500 as current year subscription. Subscription outstanding in the previous year was rupees 600. Received in advance in previous year was rupees 450. Current year subscription received in advance was rupees 270 and outstanding is rupees 750. How much subscriptions will be recorded in income and expenditure account? उत्तर आहे 7,170. Question number 38. Which of the following is not for profit organization? उत्तर आहे चॅरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल. Question number 39. The term fund denotes a dash dash is river represented by specific asset. उत्तर आहे liability. Question number 40. It is a common practice to credit life membership fees to dash dash account. उत्तर आहे कॅपिटल फंड. धन्यवाद मित्रांनो. अशा प्रकारे आपण फायनान्शियल अकाउंटिंग सेकंड FY BCom सेमिस्टर सेकंड या विषयाचे मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स बघितले. मित्रांनो, व्हिडिओ जर आवडलेला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करून कळवा आणि चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.